Welcome to the Transport Track video training series. Today we are going to discuss and demonstrate how to change the hard drive in your DVR. A couple of important things to make mental note of. Your hard drive may look different than this one. It may be black in color, may be silver. The differences are that one is solid state, which means no moving parts. The other is a normal hard drive found in any machine. Before you begin, make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver. You will need this to remove the lid. Also, if your DVR came equipped with a locking lid, you will most definitely need the key. The hard drive itself is attached to the bottom of the locking lid as an added security measure. First, if the DVR is one with a locking lid, insert the key and turn it to unlock the lid. After, of course, removing the two front lid screws. These are the two front lid screws. Once the DVR lid has been fully removed, disconnect any cables that are currently attached to the hard drive. Once disconnected, there are 4 screws holding the hard drive in place. Unscrew the hard drive and have your replacement ready. Now that the hard drive has been detached, take the replacement, line its mounting holes up with the holes on the DVR lid. Using the same screws that you removed the old hard drive from, attach the hard drive to its lid. Be sure that all 4 holes mount up, like so. Reconnect all cables into their corresponding spot. Typically, SATA serial ATA drives are installed in Transport Track DVRs. Attach the SATA power cable as well as the SATA data cable, just like this. Line up the lid properly on the DVR. Lock the lid. Reattach the case screws. Congratulations! You have now successfully replaced the hard drive in your Transport Track DVR. This has been a presentation of Transport Track. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 877-275-7694. Thank you for watching.